Yo, shout out to the YouTube community on this one, man. Happy Monday. We are doing it live today. We got multiple videos dropping, long formats. I'm gonna do a long little live stream tonight. So tune in, family. We need to get to that 1,000 family member mark. We are growing. Like I said in the live stream last night, I got those videos I need y'all to go check out. Them Detroit Jordan 1s, OG boys. Then I got the Olive 5s that y'all was slipping on, man. You know I got the sauce, man. And I got how to avoid reselling. So check out those long videos. And at 420 today, we got some videos dropping. So gang, need y'all to tune in, tap in. Make sure y'all all come on and hit that like button and subscribe, because we need that family to grow, man. And I'm gonna be dropping another video. We talking about LeBron James and his son. They made history, man. That's why I got on these LeBron James boys. King James, you feel me? So I got on them today in honor of LeBron James and his son making NBA history. Not only that, we're gonna have to talk about those packages out here in the mail that's being intercepted with sneakers involved. And we're gonna have them Ama Manir fossil stones dropping today, later today, and tomorrow. We're gonna drop some previews and I might drop another video. And on Wednesday, we got them Ama Manir for Violet Ores. So this is the hardest working family. Thank y'all for the 1,000 family member. I'm claiming it now. Y'all gonna go ahead and make sure y'all tune in. It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe and merch. And the shoe cleaning business is on the way, man. It's coming to a city near you. But no, seriously, it is growing. I have some customers that has inquired. So I have a lot of business going on. So tap in, man. We're gonna be growing and showing everybody why we number one. Peace.
I'm probably not gonna wear again, but I will wear these. Pair of Yeezys. Not the only, but one of the cool pieces in here. I usually bring my clothes when I come here, to the point where the shoes are almost like art, color coordinated. Just some little eye candy for when you walk in the bedroom. Sneaker closet. And a lot of these shoes
We've been waiting for it. It is the preseason, but LeBron James and LeBron James Jr. are on the floor at the same time.
That is nice. That's really nice.
As they're right next to each other. Of course, they've been playing against each other.
Yo, did y'all see LeBron James and his son play? The first time a father-son duo in the NBA played together. That's ridiculous. Hopefully 20 years from now, me and my son can do a YouTube video together and it'll be dope, man. So shout out to the greatness and those packages. Y'all gotta be careful when y'all do those buying online. I'm telling y'all, they definitely will intercept your packages. Those Travis Scott lows was bought and my man's got an empty box. Look at that. So be careful, be careful. It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Wu with the shoe.